radar, good morning, stand by. Golf Foxtrot Hotel, still haven't actually got any radar contact on you. Whereabouts in relation to Hengistbury Head are you?
We're just along the coast 5 miles to the east of Hengistbury Head, Golf Foxtrot Hotel. 2,000 feet on 1018.
Golf Foxtrot Hotel, thank you, and report at Hengistbury Head, please.
We'll report at Hengistbury Head, Golf Foxtrot Hotel.
Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, Bournemouth radar, good morning. I have your details, and just confirm your VFR.
Hey firm, VFR, we're just overhead the Needles, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, roger. You're clear to join controlled airspace via Hengistbury Head, not above altitude 2,000 feet, VFR. Bournemouth QNH is 1018, and the information is Golf runway 08.
1018, not above 2,000, clear to join controlled airspace, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
And Golf Foxtrot Sierra, there is traffic also joining at Hengistbury Head, a Cherokee believed to be just ahead of you, and a Diamond Twin Star has just left the zone at Hengistbury Head, southeast bound.
Roger, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Golf Alpha Charlie has left the zone, request for basic service.
Squawk 2653.
Squawk 2653, Oxford 43.
And Oxford 43, you can resume on navigation now.
Resume on navigation, Oxford 43.
November 5, Juliet Golf, resume on navigation, thread.
Third navigation, direct thread, 755 Juliet Golf.
Golf Foxtrot Hotel, parking message now. Golf Bravo Uniform, Foxtrot Hotel, Bournemouth.
Golf Foxtrot Hotel, go ahead.
Roger, were you calling me?
Yes, I was a little bit early, but we're just approaching the Needles now with information from Foxtrot 1018, request rejoin and basic service.
Golf Bravo Uniform, Foxtrot Hotel, Roger, it is a basic service, and clear to join controlled airspace, standard Hengistbury Head, rejoin for 08. QNH 1018, report the aerodrome inside.
Standard VFR rejoin via Hengistbury Head for runway 08 with QNH 1018, walk out Golf Foxtrot Hotel. 1.7.
Can you just keep a lookout for me?
Surface wind 140 degrees, 12 knots, varying between
Right
0,
10 o'clock.
8, 0
Coming this way.
degrees and 16
Gonna cross the path.
0 degrees.
Quickly.
Have okay. Temperature 23, dew point 10, QNH 1018 hectopascals. Advise ATC, information, Golf, received, and confirm QNH on first contact. This is Bournemouth information, Golf, at time 1020, runway in use 08.
Final 08, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Golf Foxtrot Sierra clear to land, wind 130 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear land, Golf Foxtrot Sierra.
Sorry.
Right, honey. Great. You want to have a look at the airport map for me?
Yep.
Golf Foxtrot Hotel vacate, first left tango once vacated, contact Bournemouth Brown 121.7.